All right. So this one says, what is the equation of the quadratic function that has a minimum at 7, -3, and goes through 9, 9? Well, remember, minimum is the vertex. So we did it on the last problem. We might as well do it on this one. Let's write the equation in the vertex form. Well, remember, the vertex form is f of x is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex 7 comma 3 is my h comma k. So h equals positive 7 and k equals -3. Cool, let's plug that in. So f of x equals a times x minus 7 squared plus 3. Now the only thing that I need to figure out is what's a. Well, I have what I need. Remember that 9, in other words, when x equals 9, f of x equals 9 as well, right? So we're used to seeing this as x comma y, but now that you're in the big house, we think of it as x comma f of x. All right? So I'm going to plug those values in and solve for a. In other words, I'm going to say 9 equals a times 9 minus 7 squared plus 3. So 9 equals a. 9 minus 2, so the answer 9 minus 7 is 2 plus 3. So then I get 9 equals 4a, right? Because 2 squared is 4. We always put the number in front of the letter. Plus 3. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. I'm sorry, I know I'm moving fast. So I get 6 equals 4a. Divide both sides by 4. And I get that a is equal to, that reduces down to 3 over 2, right? I got to think this through. Maybe I'm making a mistake. Oh, I did make a mistake. I see why. Isn't k -3? Why didn't anybody stop me? I hope you didn't write all that down. These are all -3. How did Mr. Adams know that I made a mistake? Because I had like a fraction and I was like, I better double check my math. So let's start over. Mr. Adams, in his hurry to finish this problem, put down a +3 when I should have put down a -3, right? Because that's what k is -3, right? Right here. So then maybe it's because people are talking while I'm teaching, maybe that's distracting me. Maybe I'm up here frustrated because I don't want to correct somebody on a YouTube video. Be quiet and pay attention. There, I said it. All right. So anyways, I've got -3 instead, so I have to add 3. So that's going to give me, if I go down the list, I end up with 12 equals 4a. Now when I divide both sides by 4, I don't have a fraction. I have an integer. So a equals 3. So what is my equation? Well, I did all that to find out what a is. So a now equals 3. So my equation is f of x is equal to a, which is 3, times the quantity x minus h, but h is positive 7. So it's x minus 7 squared, and then -3. This is the final answer. All right, I'll just leave